In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rank in Snowflake. If you're diving into the world of data analysis, mastering how to rank rows efficiently within a dataset is a valuable skill. Snowflake, a powerful cloud data platform, offers a very flexible way to do this using window functions. The rank function, in particular, is a go-to tool when you need to assign a unique rank to each row based on your specified sorting criteria. Let's break down how this works and why it's so effective. First, let's talk about what a ranking function does. In Snowflake, the rank function provides a way to order your rows according to a specific set of conditions or criteria. This is particularly useful in scenarios where you need to determine the first, second, third, and so on when ordering your data. Now, the rank function has a unique feature. It assigns the same rank to rows with equal values in the ranking criteria. However, it handles ties by skipping the subsequent ranks. This can come in handy for distinct analysis tasks where you need to be precise about your data hierarchy. Now, let's look at how to implement the rank function using an example. The general syntax you'll be using is rank over partition by order by. In this syntax, the partition by clause is not mandatory, but it's incredibly useful for resetting the rank. For instance, if you want to rank students' scores within each class separately, you would use the partition by clause to specify this separation. Meanwhile, the order by clause is what truly dictates the ranking, ordering your data from whatever criteria you specify. Imagine you have a data set of sales representatives and their quarterly sales. You want to rank these salespeople by their sales numbers within each region they operate. How do you go about it? You would use something like rank over partition by region, order by sales desk. This ranks sales reps within each region according to their sales in descending order, with the highest sales ranked first. Note how descending order is specified if you want higher numbers to rank higher. This is crucial depending on the nature of your dataset and your goals. Moreover, it's important to keep in mind that understanding what your goal is with the data can greatly influence how you want to apply ranking. Are you trying to find top performers, or maybe identify areas with equal performance where a deeper look is warranted? These objectives will guide your choice of parameters in the rank configuration. Finally, working in a tool like Snowflake also brings performance benefits when executing complex queries like these. Leveraging the power of cloud computing can streamline your data operations, making previously cumbersome tasks much more efficient. Remember, practice makes perfect. Test out these window functions on your own datasets to get a firmer grasp, and soon you'll be creating streamlined, effective queries with confidence. Now you're ready to effectively rank data in Snowflake, enhancing your analytical capabilities like never before.